of you. So I can't hold back, so I can't stop. I don't care what you are thinking of anymore, anymore. There's only one more thing that I forgot, and that is that you aren't with me. You're just a two-timing jerk. You forgot about me. You got a bunch of other girlfriends. You forgot about me. You just kept on rolling past. You look at me, cover your face, and run away. I don't know why, I don't care why, anyway. And that's all I got to say. Thank you, my name is Phoebe, and please call me back. Or do anything, I don't care. I'm only 11.